Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life, and today is Monday full of minis. I'm excited because I did not do this one last week. I only did Tuesday full of tinies, otherwise known as Tiny Tuesday. So I'm very, very excited to be doing this. I've got 30-ish bucks, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. I have $36. If you did watch my cash stuffing the other day, I had 2 tens in here. Before I started filming, I went to my game binder and condensed or exchanged 2 tens for some ones. So let's go ahead and get Monday full of minis out. Let's see. GP's odds and ends. Let's put you here. And Mel's Paper Makes, the little race ticket. Indy 500 is next weekend, and as is the Monaco GP for Formula One. I'm going to start Steph's on a Budget, the donut one. I saw that Budget with Tiffany was playing that one, and it made me laugh because her husband is referred to as the Donut Lord, which is hilarious. I should be the donut lady because I love donuts. Okay, so I'm going to do, this is mine, Budget Your Life, and this is the 2 sharks that are in love. That represents me and Babe. And then our Antarctica trip is going to be in this corner, which is also mine. And then this one's mine on my website. It's just a cute little floral house. So let's check. I think everything's in frame. All right, so I have 2 Tinas here. I have my drink mug holder dice tower situation, and now I moved it. I had it all spaced out before. We'll see. We'll see if you can see anything. I'm going to pick this one. Put you over here. And I've got my money. We have 2 5s, so we'll deal with those when we need to. And I've got a bunch over here ready to go that I've already picked out. So let's get started. Monday full of minis. 2. So each one is getting $2. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 4, 2, 2. I love the spicy way where you add in some higher dollars. I wanted to try that this week, but I'm going to do a Tiny Tuesday and a game night, or I'm going to do a live on Thursday, one way or the other. And I just didn't have enough to do that. Wow, it is really just liking these specific numbers. 1. I don't have much left. 4. I guess 3 and 6 are... Oop, there's a 6. Oh, I forgot I have 5s. Okay. I'm not done. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then take this. What else got a lot? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, phew. We have 10 more dollars to try to get number 3. Come on, that's my F1 envelope. Okay, so we have 10 more dollars. Let's go. 2, 6, 4. Come on, 3. Oh, it's stuck. All right, my last one. 4. Aw, my 3 spot is never really doing anything for me. Okay, so I'm going to move my thing here. All right, I guess we do this one first because it didn't get anything. Oh, I guess I could have condensed there. Wow. All right. Well, sorry, Mel. Hopefully next time. Race ticket goes in here. And then let's just stack these up. All right, so what was this one? My little peachy pink house. I'm just doing each little circle is $2. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that is very cool. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This one's building up very nicely. The next one we have is GP's odds and ends. It got 1, 2, okay, 5, 6, 7, $8. So let's see. Let's do 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This one also is doing really nice. I should have looked. I don't think we're close to finishing anything, which is kind of a sad because I have a bunch over there I really want to use. Okay, so little Antarctica penguin got 1, 2, 3, $4. So I am gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. And then up next, oh, little sharks in love. All right, so it looks like we still needed to cross out 1, but I did even numbers today, so I'm not sure we're going to be able to do that. But we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6. So 2, 4, 5, and 6. I'll try to keep going along so I know it's the last one, because last time I did it up here and I kept going with even and I kept forgetting that I had that one odd one. So this one is also going along very nicely. And last but not least, our new Steps on a Budget roll and save. I'm using it as this, so each one will be $2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Awesome. All right, so that is it for Monday Full of Minis. Awesome. Thank you so much for being here, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow in Tuesday Full of Tinies. Have a good one. Take care. Bye.